Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today informed that they have met the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission, apprising them of the firing incident that happened in Mukro on the 22nd November 2022. Conrad said that they have asked the NHRC to take action against the Assam Police.
The chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission, along with the other members, and we have apprised them about the incident that happened in Mukro village, West Chinti Hills in Meghalaya, about the fact that how the Assam Police had fired on the civilians and on the public in that village, which led to 6 people losing their lives. And we explained and expressed about how this was a very inhuman act and a complete violation of human rights. And we have apprised them about the entire actions that have been taken and the fact that CBI inquiry will take place. And we have asked for their support in this entire matter, and also requested them to take necessary action from their side, as this is a clear case of human rights violation. We have also asked them that in the future these kind of incidents should not be repeated, and hence proper sensitization needs to be taken and done in terms of the forces that are there in different parts of the border areas, especially the sensitive areas, so that future these kind of incidents where innocent lives are lost does not happen ever again in any part of the country, for the matter of fact. So these are the points we discussed with them, and I thank the chairperson and the members.